Hi everyone, welcome to SI classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 2.2 centimeter or diameter 4.4 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the length 2.2 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1, 2 and this is 1, 2. So this is 2.2 centimeter. So we know that radius of a circle is half of diameter. So this is 2.2 centimeter. Now taking here a point, next taking the length 2.2 centimeter by using compass and putting the compass on the point. Next drawing a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with radius 2.2 centimeter at taking the center O. Now joining this side, okay, and taking here a point. So OA equal to 2.2 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 2.2 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.